Okay, Mike, what are you doing here?
So we're replacing these original valves that are 15 years old.
Okay.
And we're cutting them, we're clearing below grade and replacing everything new from below grade up. So get another 10 to 20 years out of these new guys.
And why do they have to be replaced?
Well, after a period of time, they start leaking. So these two were leaking even when they were not running. And then some of the other ones leak while they run. So it's a waste of water. And that's just an indication that they're going to continue to deteriorate.
Okay. And how long do you think the new ones will last?
Anywhere from 10 to 15, 20. Yeah. Just depends on the water conditions, pressure conditions.
Right.
Yeah.
And
High
how much
pressure shortens the life. So.
How much do they cost to replace?
So a single is $225, and when you do a grouping, you get a discounted rate for the total.
Okay. And you're doing like 9 or 10 here.
We're doing 10.
How much was the cost?
It was, and this one it was 2,000. I forgot the exact number actually.
That's okay.
Just
2,000. Okay,
$2,000.
perfect.
Yeah.
And then there's a bunch of wires here.
Yeah, so everything has to get rewired in the exact same order that it was, so that the homeowner isn't confused about what happened. So everything stays the same on his controller.
And so these are the old ones?
Correct. These are all the old ones. These are actually installed incorrectly. They're supposed to be a minimum of 11 inches above grade. So that's why these are sticking up taller. These were the developers. They installed those correctly. But these were another individual and they were installed too low.
Cool. Well, thanks for showing us.
Sure.